Hello. Once again, we are in Universe Sandbox. And today, we're going to do a little experiment where we create an entire planet using only fragments. Now, what inspired me to do this? I've seen YouTube videos where, people take fragments and they make stars and other large objects, but I wanted to see what would happen if I created a smaller object moving around a star that already exists, similar to the Earth, or the Sun for that matter. The Sun is just a composition of iron, helium, and hydrogen, and that orbits around Sagittarius A star. I'm sorry, all astronomers, if I said that completely wrong, but you get the idea. Sagittarius A is the black hole in the middle of the Milky Way. Similarly, the Earth was made mostly using dust. So, let us begin. Alright, we will begin. At my disposal I have air, iron, silicon, and water fragments. What we're gonna do is spawn in a star to revolve around first. Which one? Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Alright, we're going to go into the settings, or view, and pick habitable to make sure that we put our planet in the habitable zone. We're not necessarily going to host life there, but we will put it there just so liquid water can be sustained. Red zone, it evaporates. Blue zone, it freezes. Alright. We're going to start with iron, because most of the terrestrial planets have iron in them. At least Earth does. Know that much. We're going to speed this up by half. Cut the time of the video a little bit for superfluous content such as this. If you want to call it superfluous. As you can see, me spawning in all these is definitely slowing the sim down, but the fragments that are coming off of the collision still move at a pretty fast rate. We're going to rename this to Garf's Planet. And there we go. Now I'm going to remain silent for a bit, and you all can enjoy the show. Oh boy, it's starting to steam off all that air. Ooh. Well, guess we might have lost track of it because of all the fragments. I think it might be plummeting into Beetlejuice right now. That's not a big problem, we'll just veer it away. Set it onto the right course here. I'm gonna view all the habitable zone here. Alright, we're still on the threshold of it. So that's good. Put that there. We'll set it to save. We're gonna combine Garf's Planet with Garf's Planet, speed up the process a tad. I don't think much will change. It's still only a figment of Earth's mass. But, you know, if people still consider Pluto a planet, such as myself, I will considerably give this the title of Garf's Planet. Not Garf's Dwarf Planet, Garf's Planet. Alright, we're gonna view it up the grid. View it up off the grid a little bit. I'm sorry. Words. Alright. Speed up the process a little bit. We'll see how it's orbiting. Make sure it's not escaping the system. Probably be a little easier if we go in and delete all the fragments. There's a scale right there. Alright, we'll set Garf's Planet to have another smaller version of itself attached to it. Well, more accurately, we're going to get a big water. And I made the mistake of swapping the names around. We're going to save that, so we can have multiple Wadises hit it. Alright. I have the reservation of the water actually staying. It's probably just going to evaporate away. The chance always still exists. But considering that the size of the Garf planet is not too big, I'm certain that the water will somewhat stay. Oh, look at those orbits. It's a mess. Set it to auto orbit. Maybe it'll stabilize an orbit around the star. Don't want to delete escaping bodies because current bug with the version of the game I'm experiencing at the least is that it'll detect orbiting objects as escaping bodies regardless. want that to happen in the middle of a video. That would not be good. We're going to speed up the velocity of the planet, cheat a little bit, see which orbital trail is its orbital trail. Oh, they're all getting really close to Betelgeuse, and I think my speed did not help it. Nope. That's not gonna work. Maybe if I can draw it away with Garf's planet. No? Maybe not. But that's okay, we'll get it back on track. Betelgeuse is a large star, therefore it has a large habitable zone. We got a lot of buffer room to work with. We can replace Garf's planet in the objects folder with the current version of it. You can see that's not really doing much. Now you could consider it cheating for me to be using Garf's planet as a object to increase the size of a current Garf's planet, but I think of it like this. The reason we got our moon was because an object called Theia theoretically hit the Earth and caused it to go on the axis that it's currently on, but also sent a lot of fragments into space. Those space fragments made a ring around the Earth, and that ring compiled into the moon. That's how it ties back into the whole fragment creating objects deal that we have going on here. But we're gonna save the simulation really quick. And we will speed disable. I'm gonna delete all these extras. It's not needed. Yeah, that one's going. That one's just plummeting straight into Betelgeuse. Looks like this is our survivor here. Set it to auto orbit. Zoom in, ensure that we don't delete that one on accident. Okay, that one's ours, so these two, they're going. Alright, so that was chaotic, but alas, we have Garf's planet in a stable rotation around Betelgeuse. And now, for some fun, we're gonna destroy it with a laser. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. That's all I ask for. Thank you.